Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is Madhumita. First of all, wish you all a very happy new year. This is the first video of 2021 and I wanted to create a smoked out look. So I came up with this look. So without wasting time, let's jump into the video. So first I will start from my eyebrow and taking a spoolie I am brushing my brow hair thoroughly. Then taking this color from Pack Eyebrow Definer 3 colors, I am filling all the gaps and lining my brow. Then again taking spoolie I am brushing my brow hair to spread the color evenly. Then I am cleaning my brows edges using Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Concealer Ivory. I am also applying it on my eyelid as eyeshadow base. Then using a damp beauty blender I am blending it. Now for eyeshadow, first I am taking this color Bikini and applying on my crease area. And blending it nicely. I am also dragging it outside. Then I am taking this color Pebble and applying on crease line. And on outer V area of eyelid. Then blending the color properly. And also dragging it outside. Then again going with the color Bikini and blending all the edges. Then I am taking these two colors Denim and Sky and applying on my eyelid. Now I am only taking Sky and applying inner part of my eyelid. Then blending the edges of two colors. Now I am highlighting my brow bone using this color from Revolution Pro 4K Highlighter Palette Gold. Then I am taking Azure and applying on my eyelid. Then again taking Pebble, I am intensifying the edges. Now using a wet wipe, I am wiping the edges to make it sharp. Now to prime my face, I am using Maybelline 24K Gold Gel Base Primer and applying all over my face. Now for foundation, I am using Pack Age Liquid Foundation 1 and applying all over my face. Then using a damp beauty blender, blending this all. Now for concealer, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer Medium and applying under my eyes, around lips, on chin, bridge of my nose and on forehead. Then again blending this. Now I am setting this all using Pack Translucent Powder 01. Then I am applying Pebble on my lower lash line. Then applying Sky. Now I am highlighting my inner corner using the same color. Then to contour my face, I am using this color from NYX Professional Highlight and Contour Pro Palette Matte Finish and applying on my cheekbone, on hairline, on jawline and on nose. Now for blush, I am taking this color Pom Pom and applying on cheeks. And on nose. Then using the same color highlighting my face. Then I am tightlining my waterline using Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Gel Liner. Then I am applying Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Mascara on my lashes. Now for lipstick, first I am applying Wet n Wild Megala Sleep Color Pink Sugar. Then applying Wet n Wild Color Icon Lip Liner Pencil Brandywine on the edges. Then using a pencil brush, blending it properly. So this is the complete look. Please let me know how is this look by commenting down. And make sure you like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications. So see you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.